After receiving the product, open the box and remove the product and accessories. Your package includes 1 handheld vacuum unit, 2 HEPA filters, 1 dusting brush, 1 crevice nozzle, 1 cleaning brush, and 1 charging dock. Everything you need is in the box for versatile cleaning tasks. Before assembly, make sure the vacuum is turned off. Gently hold the edge of the filter and place it into the dust cup. Align the groove on the front of the dust cup with the latch on the main unit. Push it in until it clicks into place. Turn the vacuum over, align the bottom of the dust cup with the latch on the main unit, and push gently until you hear a click. That means it's fully locked. To disassemble, press and hold the dust cup release button, then slide the cup downward along the groove to remove it. Note: please press the release button firmly until it's fully in, then gently pull the dust cup down with your other hand. It will come off. If it's hard to remove, don't force it. First confirm the button is fully pressed. Important: never operate the vacuum without the filter installed. Dust will enter the motor and cause permanent damage. The package includes a charging and storage dock. Plug the adapter into an outlet. While charging, the LED indicator on the charger displays the current status. Simply place the unit onto the charging and storage integrated dock to start charging. TED means charging, green means fully charged. The blue lights on the unit also indicate the charging progress. The included nozzles and brush heads can be easily swapped out. For cleaning various areas such as sofa crevices, keyboards, curtains, and car interiors. Simply align the brush head with the front of the dust cup and snap it into place. Slide up to turn on, then guide the brush over the dirt and push forward. The brush head can help clean debris from crevices or corners during the process. Press the separate button to turn the LED light on and off, ideal for cleaning in dimly lit areas. Remove the filter, tap it gently to shake off loose dust, then use a soft brush to clean the filter surface. Both the dust cup and filter are washable. rinse with water, but make sure they are completely dry before reinstalling. We recommend emptying the dust cup and cleaning the filter after each use. Never immerse the main motor unit in water, wipe it with a damp cloth only.